Okay, in this video, I want to talk about a company that really nobody else is talking about. And it's a company that I've made videos on twice. They haven't gotten a ton of views. However, this company is up almost 60% since the first time I talked about it. So it's been a relatively good investment so far. So there's a catalyst coming up next week, and I want to talk about it, so stick around. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard Allen. We talk about stocks on this channel, but first of all, I want to say thank you. We just hit 40,000 subscribers today. I woke up to that news, and I am excited. I'm humbled. I really have no idea what this year is going to bring, but I'm amazed by you guys every single day, the dialogue we have down in the comments, the discussions we've had. I'm excited for this community, and I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to do a live stream soon just to kind of say thanks and so we can talk. So it'll be fun. But the company we're going to talk about in this video is AQMS. Ticker symbol is AQMS. We're going to pull up the chart here first. So right here, look at this company. It has gone on an absolute tear over the past month. Now, I talked about it here this weekend on the 27th, and then it gapped up really nice. So this was a really good time to start talking about it. But I had a feeling, based on what this company is doing, based on them being in like the climate change space, based on the model that they're transitioning to with their company, I had a feeling that this was going to be a good time to jump in on this company, and it did end up being a really good time. So since I made this video from here to here, this is about a 58% swing or about 60% upswing here in the stock price. So it's been a really, really good swing, and we're starting to see some nice consolidation again. I think we could see a little bit of a dip in the short term, but Wednesday, there's a catalyst coming up. Right here, it says AQMS to host investor webcast on January 27th, 2021. So that's coming up on Wednesday. It's going to be about 1 p.m. Eastern or Central, my time, or 11 a.m. Pacific time. So essentially, it's going to be a webcast where the CEO, Steve Cotton, and the CFO, Judd Merrill, will provide a PowerPoint presentation that will cover key areas of AQMS business. Topics will include an industry overview, market drivers, sustainability advantages, technology summary, licensing opportunities, and a growth strategy. During the presentation, investors will have an opportunity to ask relevant questions through an interactive Q&A portal. So I will be there Wednesday at 1 p.m. my time, and I will be there to watch this all, and I'll report back what I learned. But I'm excited for this webcast because I want to learn what the plan is for the next year, what their growth strategy is, and it sounds like that's what they're going to talk about. Now, this part right here where they say licensing opportunities. What AQMS does, okay, if you look right here, reinventing lead recycling, okay? So they have an environmentally friendly way to recycle lead, and traditionally, lead is terrible for the environment to recycle, like absolutely terrible because it requires a lot of heat and it burns a ton of carbon. So it tends to be terrible for the environment. Now, what they're doing is in an electrolysis type design where it essentially they're using water to filter out the lead, and it's an amazingly environmentally friendly process that they are switching over to a licensing model. They've been an R&D company for many, many years. Now they're switching over to licensing. Usually, when a company switches from R&D to licensing, it's a good time for that company because they start bringing in a lot of revenue. Now, if we look at their website here, what I'm going to do as well, there's this video here that I profiled in the very first video I posted on AQMS. So if you want to watch that video, I'm going to link it right up above so you guys can see that video. But it's a good rundown and breakdown of what the company does and the exciting opportunities that they have. Essentially, they're switching over to these clean and profitable closed-loop economic model of recycling, where they're going to be doing these aqua refining. So the batteries come in, they separate, and they get filtered through, and boom, you get pure lead to sell back to the market. And they're not going to be doing this themselves. They're actually in the process of selling some of their real estate and things like that, paying off all their debt. and they're actually debt-free, which is amazing as well. But they're going to be providing their technology, so these companies can build these machines themselves. This is a very exciting time for Aqua Metals. It is. Now, we have discussions about Aqua Metals in the comments. It seems to come up that lead is being phased out, and you're right, but I'm anticipating that this company is going to have a really good 5 or 10 years ahead of them, and that's my long-term horizon for Aqua Metals. I'm not looking to invest in this company for 20, 30, 40 years like I would in Tesla, for instance, but I think this is going to have a good 5 to 10 years ahead of them, and I think we're going to find out more, like we just talked about on Wednesday when they do that webcast, that investor webcast. And I'll try to ask some questions too if I think there are any that might come up. I'll try to ask some questions. But again, the stock price is doing really, really well. We're looking at 60% since December 27th. If we go back to like October, the stock has run up even more than that, 450% or so since October. So it's gone on a really good run lately. But it's still under a $300 million market cap company. So there's far more room for this to go. And if you watch my original video, the total addressable market for lead recycling is pretty high. I would encourage you to watch that video because you'll learn about what they do, but you'll also understand the opportunity that is there. But I'm excited for Wednesday to learn more. Again, that's it. I wanted to make a quick video for you guys today, and thank you from the bottom of my heart getting this community to 40,000 subscribers. It's been absolutely amazing. Plus, we've grown to over 800 members over on our Patreon, which is boggling my mind. So again, I appreciate you. If you are interested in joining the Patreon, do keep in mind as it comes to the end of the month, I like to tell you guys this, you do get charged on the first of the month every month. So if you want to wait until the first of the month, worst case, you're going to miss out on about a week of me trading. But there are some fantastic people over on the Patreon. And to get like live trading updates and my watch list and stuff, it's $10 a month, so it's not terrible. And it's been well worth it for a lot of us over there. So thank you guys so much. Seriously, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna do a live stream soon to celebrate. I might do it today. We'll see. Yeah, I got a few other things to do today, so I don't know if I'll get to it. But thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. Again, I'm Richard Allen. If you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.